NYC Home Buyers Closing Costs Calculator. When you buy a home in New York City, the purchase price is just one piece of the financial puzzle. Closing costs can add another 1.5% to 6% of the price for a buyer and even more for a seller. These fees, taxes, and expenses arise from state and city requirements and from the lender's involvement. Knowing these details lets you budget realistically and avoid surprises. The team at Sishodia PLLC emphasizes that being well informed from the outset fosters smoother transactions and helps safeguard your investment. Closing costs in New York are governed by state and city regulations. Separate transfer taxes apply, and properties over $1 million are subject to a mansion tax. Mandated costs include mortgage recording taxes, lender fees, legal fees, and title insurance. Co-op buyers often pay less because fewer fees apply. Sellers may pay around 8% to 10% of the sale price because they must cover transfer taxes and broker commissions. Given the complexity of these obligations, working with qualified legal counsel helps ensure compliance and favorable terms. Closing costs cover fees and charges that are separate from the property's price. Buyers commonly pay the mortgage recording tax, title insurance for the owner and lender, and loan application and appraisal fees. Other expenses may include searches, surveys, escrow accounts for property taxes and insurance, and prepaid interest. In co-op transactions there may be board application fees, move-in deposits, and charges to the building's legal representative. Financing can bring additional escrow requirements and prorated adjustments for taxes and common charges. Buyers in new developments may also pay city and state transfer taxes. Sellers in New York City must account for the city and state transfer taxes, which combined can significantly reduce net proceeds. Legal fees for preparing the deed and seller's documents are customary, and brokers' commissions often amount to a substantial percentage of the sale price. Depending on the transaction, a seller may also need to cover any existing liens, co-op flip taxes, or other local charges. Using a home buyer's closing cost calculator gives prospective purchasers a clearer picture of their responsibilities. Sishodia PLLC provides such a tool on its website to help buyers estimate their total costs, including lender fees and government taxes. The attorneys encourage buyers to consult with a legal professional and a knowledgeable lender early in the process to understand these figures and plan accordingly. At Sishodia PLLC, managing partner Natalia Sishodia is a respected New York City real estate attorney who guides clients through the complexities of purchasing homes. Working with qualified legal counsel at a trusted firm can demystify the closing cost process. A lawyer can break down each fee, review mortgage documents, and identify any unnecessary charges. Legal guidance is especially valuable in transactions involving co-ops, new developments, or properties valued above $1 million where special taxes apply. Their involvement protects your interests and ensures legal compliance. If you are planning to purchase property in New York City, taking the time to understand closing costs is essential. Sishodia PLLC offers a user-friendly calculator and legal guidance to help you anticipate fees and navigate every aspect of the process. Contact their office to discuss your specific transaction and receive personalized advice from an experienced lawyer. To learn more about closing costs or to schedule a consultation with a real estate legal advisor, reach out to Sishodia PLLC at 833-616-4646. The law firm is located at 600 3rd Avenue 2nd floor, New York, 10016, United States.